The daughter of an ultranationalist Russian ideologue has been killed in a suspected car bomb attack outside Moscow, say Russian state investigators.
After 9 last night, a car bomb explodes on the outskirts of Moscow. It kills Daria Dugina, the daughter of far-right ultranationalist Alexander Dugin.
Described by investigators as a journalist and political expert, Dugina publicly backed her father's position and expressed support for Russia's intervention in Ukraine on state TV.
Dugin did do was sort of normalize this idea of empire, of a new version of empire that has become increasingly popular in elite circles in Russia.
We understand that she gets into her car. Witnesses say that her father got into another car as a last-minute decision. She's on her way back, heading close to Moscow when this alleged car bomb went off, killing her instantly. We understand that she gets into her car. Witnesses say that her father got into another car as a last. Ukraine has come out and said that they are not, and that they don't support terrorist acts like this, as opposed to Russia. Russia, of course.
Prime Minister Sana Bahrain is tested negative for illegal drugs. 36-year-old voluntarily took a drug test to dispel suspicion after a leaked video surfaced on social media. 36-year-old voluntarily took a drug test to dispel suspicion after a leaked video surfaced on social media of the Premier partying with friends, prompting widespread criticism from the opposition. The videos have triggered a debate among Finns about how a Prime Minister should spend their free time.
The Ministry of Interior, Alexander Volin, was paying a visit today to Moscow. What is at stake is the signature of a big contract about gas supplies for Serbia. It's important to say that Volin is the most prominent pro-Russian figure of the Serbian government. So this is probably the best way for Serbia to send a message of cooperation with Russia. Normally, Sergei Lavrov was due to visit Serbia officially on last June, but he was impeached to fly because Serbia is surrounded by NATO member countries, and those countries forbade the Russian official plane to cross their aerial space, their borders.